Now it's actually she's showing a bit of fear. Right? It's like very uncomfortable.
She's mad that I yelled at her about the.
That's okay. I know muzzles aren't the best, Nala. That's good. She's looking to you, Brent. She's like, "What do you want me to do?" I know. The panting is a little bit of stress, shaking, but she's staying put.
Yeah.
Right.
Those muscles pissing her off right
I understand, Nala. I get it. I don't like using them either, but they're necessary sometimes.
now. 10-year-old dog.
Mm-hmm. I mean, Macy's peeing. That's a good. She's comfortable. Not overly threatened by Nala. She wouldn't pee if she weren't comfortable. Yeah, Macy's kind of just like, whatever. Yeah, she still doesn't really want to get close. That's fine. That's okay. Yeah, that's fine.
This is so much better. Right? So much better.
Yeah, we'll just keep her there for a bit. I think she's just staying put. I wouldn't. You know the moment to intervene, but I like that she's. Let's give her an opportunity to show us what she's going to do. Yeah, she's working herself through it, and Macy's just like, cool, which is good. If she were really like scared, she would show it. Yeah, she's like minding her own business. Yeah, you're looking much better now. And it's a process of we work her through all this anxiety, the stress, and she'll come out better on the other side. And you see how she's not really giving her the same eye contact as she was through the fence.
Yeah.
She's acknowledging her, but now I think she's more kind of scared than anything. But we'll work her through it. What do they say? The best way to get over your fears is to confront them, right? Yeah, Macy's like, I'll just pee here, I'll pee over there. She's looking good though. I like how Nala's looking at her, but she's not. There you go, girl. Make yourself at home.
You got a bag or you need me there?
Oh, I got bags too.
Always have bags.
Right behind you.
Yeah, now that she's showing interest.
Yeah.
She was doing a little bit of smelling. She's looking, but she's not fixating on her,
Yeah.
which is good.
Mary, you can toss it to one yard or skin over there. Yeah, she's much less fixated
Yeah,
on Macy than she was on
definitely.
Is.
And the shaking kind of just coming and going. Like for a minute there, she wasn't shaking. Now Macy's getting a little closer, so now and you see the lip licking. She's just stressed, right?
Yeah. Little girl.
Now here's where I would intervene, Brent, because now she's. Yep, there you go. There you go, just like that. That was perfect. Because as Macy got closer, she was starting to kind of lock in on her a little bit. Yeah, that's okay. Tell me about it. Okay, now Brent, why don't you try just walking her around? You don't have to get close to Macy, but let's just walk around the yard and see what she does.
I'm not this thing off. No. You're not gonna get it off. I tightened it off.
Okay.
Let's go.
There you go.
No. Stop with the fucking muzzle. You are such Come on, let's go. She's so mad about this thing getting on.
Right. It's all right now. It's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna hurt you. Okay, here. Let me take.
Okay. So watch out, she's trying to get like her feet in the bottom of it. I don't know if you noticed it.
Whenever you see her locked in, but she's real tense, just address her.
Yep. Hey. Hey. Ooh.
That actually looks
Yeah.
that actually looks pretty good right now. Let me see let you smell her.
Hey.
She's doing real good, Howard. Hey. Not yet. Actually, you're still coming on strong, but that was more quick. That didn't look too bad. Hey, not yet.
I'm gonna back her off for a minute while she's got the muzzle off. Yeah, I got it connected under there too high.